Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix iPhone reminders not working in iOS 17. So guys, many iOS 17 users are complaining about after updating to the latest version of iOS 17, they are facing an issue of reminders, that their reminders are not working properly and they don't know how to fix this issue. But guys, don't worry, I have got your back. In this video, I will tell you how to fix iPhone reminders not working in iOS 17 version. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. So guys, our step number 1 is to check the volume. Make sure that your volume on your iPhone is turned up. You can adjust the volume using the volume buttons on the side of your device. Also check the ringer silent switch on the side of the iPhone to increase it or to set to it silent. After this, you need to do is check the alarm volume. Open the clock app and go to the alarm. Simply open the clock app, go to alarm, and after this, then you have to do is simply tap on edit exist alarm. After this, then you have to do is tap on sound. You have to make sure one of these sounds are selected. If this still doesn't work and still your reminder app is not working, then you have to do is restart your iPhone. A simple restart can often resolve minor glitches. Turn off your iPhone by going to the settings, then tap on general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then wait for a few seconds, then restart it. If restarting doesn't work and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is update your iOS version. Ensure that your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. You have to go to the settings, then go to general, tap on software update and check if there is an available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. So guys, after updating the iOS version and you're still facing the issue, then our next step is to check the sound settings. You have to go to the settings, then go to sound and haptics and ensure that the ringer and alerts volume slider is set to an audible level. After this, and you're still facing the issue, then our last step is to reset all settings on iPhone. This will reset all settings on your iPhone, but it won't delete your data. After the reset, configure your settings again and check if the alarm sound is working or not. To do this, you have to simply open the general, scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, these were some simple steps at how to fix iPhone reminders not working issue on iOS 17. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.